Hey there, Tilray traders and investors. It's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home from J Stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Also home to the best MJ community and the channel that was created by a retail investor for retail investors. In this video, we got some exciting news. We're going to go over Tilray's official launch of their hemp DD9, so hemp-derived Delta-9 beverages. They're going to be launching those next month in key markets across the U.S. This is something that I mentioned for quite a while now that could happen any day, and I woke up this morning pretty excited to see this news. They did mention it on their recent earnings that the hemp formulations were ready to go and that they were going to be launching it soon. So this is another way for them to enter the U.S. market as we await full-blown federal legalization. We're going to discuss all of that and more. Before we do, make sure to smash the like. It helps support me in the channel. If you're new, you can subscribe. All that good stuff. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. And as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Never buy or sell anything based on anything that I say or write. You can also follow us over on X, formerly Twitter. And if that is at Group Pow, going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. And full disclosure, I do own Tilray in my portfolio. It's my biggest holding. So you can see here that they came out with a little video here on X. Tilray Brands leverages hemp and beverage scale to launch hemp-derived Delta-9 HDD9 drinks in key markets across the United States. Tilray's lineup of HDD9 drinks include premium mocktails, seltzers, sparkling drinks made with high-quality hemp extracts, ingredients that provide consumers with familiar, convenient, and a delicious way to relax and unwind. And here is the official press release from Tilray Brands IR. So as you can see, they're set to launch hemp-derived Delta-9 drinks in key markets across the United States. They mentioned on the earnings call that they were going to be doing Texas and New Jersey first, and then they were going to later on be expanding to other states. Generally, it's around 25 states that a lot of these companies are starting to distribute to. Eventually, that'll be more than 25 states, and eventually we'll have full-blown legalization. But again, this is just another way for Tilray to capitalize on the U.S. market as we await that federal legalization. And this is going to be a huge segment. It's not just going to stop there either. They mentioned that they were going to be launching other categories as well, but these are fantastic looking, to be completely honest with you. I was in Colorado, I was in Florida, and I was even in Nevada, in Las Vegas, tried some of their drinks, and they were just terrible. Like everything from the quality of the can to the quality of the actual beverage. When I was in Colorado, I remember there's actually a documentary on my YouTube channel if you go to the playlist. But in that playlist, in that video, in Colorado, I was opening a can for one of the drinks, and it just had the worst way to open it. It was like some weird mechanism, and it exploded all over my face as I was opening. It was actually pretty funny, but everything that you're going to see from these drinks are going to be everything and more. You're going to be surprised just from the quality of the can, the design. I think you're going to be blown away by the quality of the beverage as well. So these look amazing. You got 420 Fizz, Herb and Bloom, Fizzy Janes, and Happy Flower. And this one's interesting because Tilray is also partnered with Mary Jones Soda, so Jones Soda, and they're going to be launching that in Ontario and BC, I believe, to start, and then they're probably going to be coming to Alberta. But interesting that they used sort of a similar brand there, Fizzy Janes. I've always said that I think that could be a potential acquisition that Tilray makes in the future as well, where they potentially acquire Jones Soda and Mary Jones. Maybe even they just acquire that one brand. But I would say an entire buyout of that company is a possibility as well. So we'll go through the details here a little bit more. It's not very long, so we'll just go through it. So Tilray Brands, leader in MJ hemp and beverage industries, driving innovation and paving the way for a new era of consumer products. With the leading branded hemp food business in North America and fifth largest craft beer business in the U.S., Tilray's team of hemp and beverage experts have conducted extensive research and product testing to develop a portfolio of HDD9 brands and products that meet the company's high standards for quality, safety, and experience. Consumers seek out New alternative adult beverages, and Tilray is strategically entering the growing HDD9 beverage category in the U.S. market with consumer-centric model that targets different occasions across various consumer audiences and price segments. Tilray's inaugural portfolio of HDD9 brands include 420 Fizz, Herb and Bloom, Fizzy Janes, and Happy Flower. Additionally, Tilray plans to introduce other HDD9 brands and product categories later this year. So we should see some, probably some gummies and things like that. 420 Fizz is a sleek and modern brand built off Tilray's iconic 420 beverage platform. They're enhanced with 5 milligram HDD9 per can. 420 Fizz is an exciting new seltzer with a refreshing taste. Herb and Bloom, so a premium mocktail, offers a unique way to experience timeless classics with its harmonious blend of refreshing fruit notes infused with 5 milligrams as well. Each drink is crafted for a smooth and balanced experience, resulting in delicious taste. You got Fizzy Janes. So the Fizzy Janes is a light and delicious seltzer with 5 milligrams and 3 classic flavors, so blackberry, blood orange, and vanilla, a nostalgic brand created for a curious consumer. Happy Flower, inspired by classic cocktails, a citrusy margarita, a juicy strawberry daiquiri, and a bubbly and fruity peach Bellini. Oh man, all these sound so good. Each Happy Flower cocktail contains 5 milligrams per 12 ounce and provides a new way for consumers to relax and unwind in a format that's familiar, convenient, and delicious. Tilray will launch Happy Flower in partnership with Emergent Beverage in Texas and Louisiana markets. And I did look up Emergent as well. Here's their website. I looked them up on LinkedIn as well. They're fairly small footprint. It says 5 employees and then 702 followers. It does say they have over 150 years in the beverage industry experience. A one-stop shop for adult, non-alcoholic, and naturally derived hemp Delta-9 beverages. So they talk about advisory, network manufacturers, emulsion provider, etc. And then I did look them up on Grok as well. So they specialize in helping emerging beverage brands with sales marketing strategy. We'll go down here. So this right here said they claim significant partnerships in Texas alone, representing over 8,400 retail locations, which underscores their influence in at least one major market in the U.S. So interesting to see that one there. I'd never heard of them before, and I just did a little bit of digging into them. But yeah, that's going to be, they mentioned Texas and New Jersey, so no coincidence that we see Emergent Beverage is in Texas and Louisiana. So Tilray's portfolio of HDD9 beverages offers consumers carefully formulated products for a smooth, balanced experience, providing a new and responsible way to enjoy adult alternative products. This initial offering is just the beginning of Tilray's strategic approach to capitalize on a growing demand for alternative adult beverages in the HDD9 beverage market. 21 plus only, and as always, enjoy responsibly. So this is awesome. I can't wait to try these out. It's going to be interesting if we're going to be able to buy them here in Canada. I doubt we will, but we'll see if we can order them from the U.S. to Canada. It's going to be hard to say how that's going to work out. But yeah, these look absolutely fantastic. If anybody does end up trying these in the future after the fact, let me know. But we'll run through the chart here as well. It's up slightly here pre-market. We're up just over 1%, so we're sitting at 171. Not expecting this news to move the stock a whole lot right now. In fact, it's actually an hourly bear flag at the moment. So as long as we remain below 174, it's an hourly bear flag. In order to confirm it, we need to lose the low there at 168. And if we do, you just take your measured move and you get a move down to about 160 if we confirm it. So in order to confirm, you need to lose 168. In order to negate it, you need to break above 174. But as I was saying, not expecting a big move on this right away. It's more than likely going to take, a few quarters. We'll have to get some sales, under their belt. And then, overall, this is going to contribute to their bottom line. It's going to help them take advantage of key markets in the U.S. We are gearing up for a golden cross potentially here on the daily time frame. There's still some names in the space like CGC, which is set up for a death cross. So we still have some weakness across the sector. So we could see a little bit more weakness, maybe another week or two. And then we should see all systems go, in my opinion, into October. So generally, October is a good month, and Q4 leading in the elections, they want to leave it to the 11th hour until as close as possible to the elections before they start to really push MJ, in my opinion. But overall, this is great news. Can't wait for everybody to try it. They have the number one beverage brands here in Canada, and I can tell you from personal experience, they are absolutely amazing. Their beverages, their products that I'll buy each and every day for the rest of my life. To be honest with you, they're fantastic. They have by far the best brand, the best beverages in Canada by a country mile. And like I said, once you try these in the US, I think they're going to put every other beverage to shame. Can't wait for everybody to try these, though. It's been a long time coming, and you get a lot of people saying that, oh, Tilray will never enter the US. Well, they already have tons of adjacencies with all their beverage brands and, 40, 50,000 points of distribution just from some of the breweries that they acquired from Molson Coors. And just wait until you can see other products there as well. But like I said, this is just the first of many, and they have other HDD9 categories and products that they're going to be launching soon. But Tilray, these beverages, mark my words, these are going to be an absolute hit. Super excited, and like I said, kind of puts those naysayers to bed, because they say, Tilray doesn't sell any products into the U.S. Well, they have their Manitoba Harvest. They have now their hemp-derived beverages. And that's only the beginning. So this is going to be a great revenue generator, in my opinion. I think, the time is ready for it. Hemp's a big thing right now. And as we await federal legalization, this is just going to be another stopgap for them to get by. And it's going to help with their valuation, and it's going to help with their profitability metrics as well. I'm excited to see the launch. All right, going in it there. Let me know what you think of this news. We'll continue the conversation in the comment section below. It's Rod with Power Group. Thanks again for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth. Have a great day, and we'll see you again on the next video.